The YouTube thumbnail game is on, and I am your host CGR back with another episode. Today, the topic is the idea and the inspiration. So, everything in life, especially in marketing, is based around one key simple idea. One key simple idea. Like you must have heard that whenever you have a business idea or a business proposal, if you can summarize it in simply in a few words, that is what good investors listen to. I don't have any experience in that field, but yeah, I have heard a lot about that. In YouTube video, in YouTube marketing, whole YouTube game, also people say that in this context, like everything revolves in around one key simple idea. And I feel that understanding that is most essential. Like I have videos, I think I have 3 or 4 videos with 500k plus views, not on this channel, on my client's channel. I just made the thumbnail, and multiple videos with 300k plus, 200k plus. I don't have any in millions, I guess, yet. There is one 754k right now, but regardless, everything, whichever thumbnail outperformed that much, 90% of the time I read the whole script. Like I did not read it line by line, but I understood the script. I fed the script into ChatGPT. I knew the narrative around that topic, and then I understood and created the thumbnail. Then I found the pictures. So I understood the topic. I understood the simple key idea, around which the whole video, the whole script, the voiceover, everything revolved around, even the news around the topic. So I feel that if you create a video around a topic that you are interested in, if you are an audience of, then you will know what the audience will like. That is very essential. I am gonna create a YouTube channel of my own. I will of course review that and show you the whole insider view to how am I growing this channel. I will grow it live with you, sharing all the insights from, like, it's right now on that channel is around 123 subscribers with 11, 12 or 15 videos. So it's very small, and I'm gonna restart it and pump it to very high level. So I am gonna only produce things around the topic of what I like. So I will be the audience, and I may predict what the people will like, kind of. But yes, and then this connects to the whole understanding it. So understanding the topic and asking ChatGPT, like, to understand the topic, to ask ChatGPT, just give it the whole script. Like sometimes you cannot give it the whole script to ChatGPT 3 because there is some issue. I have ChatGPT 4, so I just feed the whole script to it, and then I ask for summary in 10 points, and then I see the angles at which I can play, which is like the core theme that people may relate to, like emotional psychology. That all comes to play, the nature, how human brain generally works, what trends, what always goes on trending, those kind of things. Then I see the points that ChatGPT generally generates. I also sometimes read a few blogs around it, like overview of the vlogs and the images already present on the blogs. This will get connected to taking the inspiration. So yeah, once I've fed it and we trying to have a conversation on the topic with ChatGPT many of the time, then I will pick up one angle at which I can play on that topic. So I will get an angle and then I will think of the angle. How is the best way I can represent that angle with the best understanding of me? I will give you one example where I didn't read the script, or I didn't read the script or played, but I understood what it was a police cop clickbait niche, and that video has like 500k views on that till now in a month. So that is tremendous. I got a bonus for that as well. But the point is, I didn't even read the script of that. The point is that I understood what the client wanted to show with the video. So essentially, its title is A Sassy Cop. I should prepare all this. Okay, so a journalist is trying to sue or sue something, a sassy cop. So what I understood by sassy, that it's something like cool cop or sassy female cop. That was the title. So I was trying to convey that a cop is trying to, a journalist is trying to fight or sue something like that to a sassy cop, sassy female cop. But why I understood by sassy, I just did a Google search. Sassy means who is very outspoken, who will say anything. So in that scenario, what will a cop say that will be very clickbaity? So sexualizing things is very clickbaity, generally speaking. So what I thought of that is, I showed a very beautiful AI generated cop. I used Midjourney, I used Kriya on that, both Kriya.ai on that, both very awesome AIs, generated a very good looking, beautiful female who was kind of in a body cam image with wearing police clothes. I generated that, and then the text I read, like, I genuinely feel that text can, the copywriting still plays such a big role in every marketing, with even in designing thumbnails, especially in the YouTube thumbnail game. Copywriting plays a very important role. You can just alone with text, YouTube thumbnail text, you can rocket a channel. I guarantee that. I am gonna try that. I genuinely feel that I have not done that much. I have done some of it, but I really have a good feeling. We will do that. Okay. So yeah, the text I wrote was, so the cop is being sued by a journalist, and it's from the view of a cop. She has to say something. So I wrote, "Will you fuck me or you will sue me?" And for some reason, that video got 500k views. I was like, oh my god. And generally, I spend about at least an hour or more than an hour on high-paying thumbnails, etc. And for that high-paying thumbnail, I didn't even spend like 20 minutes. It just came to me, and I just sent it over to the client. She loved it, and she posted it. 500k views 1 month later. That is so good. So next, it connects to the inspiration part. You have to take inspiration to see what already works. You cannot try everything from scratch, especially in the start. You need a boost. You need frameworks that already are working. So this is not talked about that much, but I learned this from Rajiv Mehta. He said that the best source of inspiration is the source. The best source of inspiration is the source. He meant it in a way that nature, everything goes back to nature. Every color, every text combination, every feeling, every emotion, all goes back to nature. Everything already exists. We are just capturing a small essence of it and displaying it on our designs. So the source, the nature is the ultimate source. Life, psychology, all that connects to the inspiration. You have to think how what people will like, what will trap people. Like everything we know that maybe showing more skin will attract more people. Like I'm not like in the clickbait niche, then angry emotions or something like words like FUCK, SHIT, these things do attract people. Even if you're doing great job or big things, glow, blue colors, white and red attracts people. So these psychological things are very important, and you have to take inspiration from real life things that happen around you, maybe the designs, the traffic light, all that. So that's inspiration. As you doing the keep making over the time, you will develop a pattern recognition of what's already working, what works, and all the inspiration, it just gets in your head, and over the time you are able to see and think for yourselves. Yeah, always nowadays I always try to do some research before making a thumbnail, because it's so important. You don't have to research in just a small what's around that video, but those kind of topics also, also the underscores work very well on the YouTube search. If you just remove the name and put an underscore there, YouTube will display all the best videos that are performing related around that topic. So that is a very cool hack. So yeah, develop pattern recognition, take inspiration from the videos, see the psychology behind everything. So that was the idea, one key simple idea around which you have to understand and make the thumbnail. Everything revolves around that. You have to find the inspiration, you have to see what already works in the market, and then revolve around that. Over the period of time, I feel I'm able to see and predict more and more. Like I have to learn a lot more, but I'm able to predict what will work and what may not. Like the pattern recognition is a normal human thing that happens in our brain. So that was that was episode number 13 on the CGR on the YouTube thumbnail game, brought to you by CGR Design. Thank you.